What if we told you that this massive tropical fruit is being transformed into one of the world's most convincing meat alternatives? Welcome to Next Gen Manufacturing, where we take you inside the world's most fascinating factories and production lines. Today, we're going behind the scenes of a modern jackfruit processing plant that handles over 50,000 pounds of fruit, revealing the hypnotic shredding process used to create vegan pulled pork enjoyed by millions around the world. From giant spiky fruits arriving by the truckload to perfectly seasoned, ready-to-eat products, every step combines precision, efficiency, and advanced food manufacturing technology. Let's step inside. Everything begins with freshly harvested jackfruits arriving at the processing facility. Each fruit is enormous, often weighing between 20 and 80 pounds, making manual handling a job that requires both strength and experience. Before processing starts, every jackfruit goes through a careful quality inspection. Workers remove damaged fruit while automated washing systems blast away dirt, sap, and field debris using high-pressure water. Only the highest quality fruit continues down the production line. Next comes one of the most fascinating stages. Industrial cutting machines split the thick, spiky shells with incredible precision. Unlike ordinary fruit processing, jackfruit contains a sticky natural latex, so specialized equipment is designed to reduce waste while keeping the edible flesh clean. Once opened, the fruit reveals hundreds of golden pods surrounding a dense, fibrous core. This is where skilled workers and automated systems work together. The sweet fruit bulbs are separated for other food products, while the young fibrous sections are collected for vegan meat production. Now comes the most satisfying part of the entire factory. The fibrous jackfruit enters powerful industrial shredders. Thousands of rotating blades gently pull apart the natural fibers, creating long, tender strands that look remarkably similar to slow-cooked pulled pork. Watching tons of jackfruit transform into perfectly shredded fibers is both mesmerizing and surprisingly satisfying. Every batch is monitored carefully to ensure consistent texture, moisture, and fiber length. From here, the shredded jackfruit moves into large stainless steel mixing drums. Precisely measured blends of spices, herbs, natural smoke flavor, vegetable broth, and seasonings are added automatically. As the giant drums slowly rotate, every strand becomes evenly coated, creating the rich flavor and appearance consumers expect from premium vegan barbecue products. Next, the seasoned mixture enters advanced cooking tunnels. Steam and carefully controlled temperatures soften the fibers while preserving their structure. Computer-controlled sensors continuously monitor cooking time, internal temperature, and moisture levels to guarantee food safety and consistent quality. Once cooked, the product travels rapidly through cooling tunnels. Fast cooling helps lock in freshness while preparing the shredded jackfruit for packaging. Automated filling machines portion identical amounts into trays, pouches, or retail containers with remarkable speed and precision. Each package is vacuum sealed or sealed in a protective atmosphere that extends shelf life without compromising flavor. Before leaving the factory, every package passes through multiple quality control checkpoints. High-speed cameras inspect seal integrity. Metal detectors scan every product. Weight verification systems ensure accurate portions. Finally, finished cartons are stacked by robotic palletizers before being loaded into refrigerated trucks, ready for supermarkets and restaurants around the world. Behind every package is an impressive combination of agriculture, engineering, food science, and automation working together to transform a simple tropical fruit into a globally popular plant-based product. It's incredible to see how modern manufacturing can completely transform nature into something so familiar. From massive fresh jackfruits to perfectly shredded vegan pulled pork, every step showcases precision, innovation, and efficiency on an industrial scale. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes factory tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another manufacturing journey. This is Next Gen Manufacturing, bringing you inside the world's most amazing factories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next production line.